targeting sex for life. It is very shocking that Filipino workers in the Middle East offered sex in exchange for entering semen to return back to their countries of origin. It is agencies or employers responsibilities to get an earned payment for the workers after the contract. It is not day-to-day media for the workers
Sex per flight?
or entities
Sex per flight.
that they will produce
Sex per flight? Per
and
flight.
they're not paid.
Flight?
It is a nightmare for workers who experience such crime, and also the reputation and the professionalism and the fear of God are totally gone from the people who are doing as such. We overseas Filipino workers came face to face at Senate hearing with the labor wage Christian Kuya. They accused of having sexual harassment. Rachel, Annalisa, and Michelle were all very well when they faced at the hearing with a Senate.
Malalagpas na.
They were to be
1 minute and 30
They also offered
seconds na
their
lagpas na.
testimonies. But Michelle
Gusto ko kanina, sobrang tagal.
Ha?
Gusto ko kanina.
Reiterate assistant Diwata about the auditor of project was also present on safety. Under of before, Senate Even Committee. Under of before, Senate Even Committee, Assistant Diwata of auditor of project denied all allegations made by the former overseas Filipino workers of appropriate behavior and amendments. Verde of a Philippine overseas labor office in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, said he was a good man who worked hard to get the house.
Nawala
He
na.
was sympathetic
Diba?
to the right of all families, especially those workers who abused by their employers. But many senators present during hearings
Saan, saan?
Tapos na.
on the second, export time, once it's hard to believe, it is wanted them to believe. For them, the language literated, the type of person he is.
Special na how to.
Wrote that the government of the people who are the empathy will keep an eye for worker safety. Because it is not a
Nakakuha na siya?
that you will drag a person to have sex with someone just for his safety. But when there are people who are trying to make a mess for other people, but when there are people who are trying to make a mess for other people who wanted to earn in the necessary, because it will make any sense. It will make any sense to send or employing some workers to foreign land. This is the thing that you will get when they reach the set boundary.
Upload mo ba yun?
Hindi pa. Nakaka na? Hindi ka na ma-rets?
Bakit sinasabi ko ay kasalanan mo? You give me one instance para kasalanan niya. Dinideny niya, he said he's innocent. Sabi niya, but the witnesses, yung people, yung mga OFW, na-abuse na, were pointing at me.
Pero may
What is it?
yung hearing pa, may dokyo ako na parang yung Michelle, inaano talaga si Villa Verde na yung kung nakakandaan pa ni Villa Verde yung mga
Mapit.
ginawa nila sa tatlong overseas Filipino workers. Na may ginawa ko talaga siyang,
Hindi lang si Michelle.
yes ma'am,
And besides, ma'am, hindi na pagkakalala ko sa mga babae.
Yes.
Kasi ang kahilan
Hindi, at saka isa pa, anong klaseng official ito? Pati salita niya hindi maganda. Humihingi ng panty at saka bra ng OFW. Papasok si Villa Verde, ay nasa lungki mo sa lungso. Hindi ko talagang December siyang special. Kaya dapat maparusahan.
Yari ka! Yari! Woo! Yari ka!
Iboto ka yan.
Abuse of authority. Ito naman sa lagay mo sa puso. Yes. Kailangan talaga.
The Fisher Valley College, Taguig City.
Dapat lang nung sabihin niya na innocent siya in front of all the senators. Nagalit sila. Why? Because all these witnesses were telling really they were pointing at him. Galit ka na naman? Galit, tandaan na. Halika nga dito. Siya?